Are you looking to change your major? Maybe you're still undecided. The Rutgers Center for Turfgrass Science is hosting an open house just for you. This event provides an opportunity to learn about the turfgrass industry, speak one-on-one with industry professionals, discover pathways to careers in turf management, and network with current students and professors. In turf, you can work outdoors, work with professional sports teams, maintain corporate and public grounds, and much more. From the fields of Yankee Stadium and NASCAR to Augusta National and premier golf courses around the world, Rutgers is the world leader in turf. Learn even more and see if Rutgers Turfgrass Science is the right fit for you. The open house is May 2nd, located at the Ralph Geiger Turfgrass Education Center.